National winner Belgium Old Birds, Team Noel-Willockx, Baasrode. The national winner Belgium from Argenton 3 in the category Old Birds is Team Noel-Willockx, Baasrode. The Pigeon was clocked on Sunday at 14:19 Central European Summer Time after a race of 528.18 kilometers, achieving an average velocity of 1,390.07 meters per minute.
Eddie Noel and Ivan Willockx decided to join forces in 2013, and that was the starting point of breeding loft Team Noel-Willockx. Their main objective would be to obtain nothing but pigeons of the best quality. We are 4 years down the line and their achievements illustrate that they know what they are doing. No less than 11 national ace pigeons KBDB originate from the bloodlines of Team Noel-Willockx in just a few years' time. The youngsters that they bred were solely raced in other lofts up until 2015, and from then on Eddie and Ivan began racing in their own loft as well. This was an excellent decision, as Eddie and Ivan were very successful from day one. They claimed some remarkable results with just the youngsters of 2016 and 4 late youngsters of 2015. They claimed a first and second provincial young birds in Argenton against 4,235 pigeons, as well as a first provincial of 657 yearlings with just 1 late youngster of 2015 in the basket. The team also won a second provincial of 6,737 pigeons in the young birds race from Beyers. And their results of 2017 show that the successes of 2016 were not a coincidence. Eddie and Ivan claimed another 3 provincials first prizes this season, along with several provincial and national top 100 prizes. Eddie is responsible for the day-to-day caretaking of the pigeons, while Ivan takes care of the administrative side of things. The yearlings were initially raced in total widowhood, but they switch over to the nest towards the end of the season. The youngsters are not separated and were mainly left alone. Another crucial bloodline of Team Noel-Willockx is Argenton. He is a direct Gaston van de Wouwer pigeon and inbred to Casbah. Eddie visits the lofts every single day, to look after his pigeons. He has a long history as a fancier, and some would describe him as a pigeon racing guru. His knowledge on the daily caretaking of pigeons and pigeon feed is pretty much unparalleled. Ivan on the other hand is responsible for the administrative side of things, and together with Eddie he is working to develop a pigeon breed suited for races of 100 to 800 kilometers. The pieces of the puzzle are clearly falling into place in recent years, and their recent top result from Aurillac is testament to the high level of performance of this young combination. Eddie Noel has been an avid nutrition expert for years, and he gained quite a bit of experience over the years, both in his own loft and with the help of other advocates of a scientifically backed nutrition approach. Team Noel-Willockx have now come up with their own mixtures, based on his many years of experience and his extensive knowledge. These mixtures, combined with several supplements to make up for nutritional deficiencies, a natural minerals mixture, a fitness-boosting tonic, a resistance-increasing elixir and AIDI Recup Fast, which enhances recovery, close the circle. And these are in fact crucially important supplements, because their pigeons must work hard. This is an experienced combination that capitalizes on every member's strong points. The pigeon's diet and the overall approach is also scientifically backed diet. Add to that a group of top-quality birds and you have a recipe for success. The pigeon family from Baasrode has everything it takes. A top-quality breed is destined to come to the fore one day, and Team Noel-Willockx did not have to wait long for this to happen. But dominating a race in such a way, after just a few seasons, is not something we see every day. And with so much knowledge and top-quality birds under a single roof, it will be just a matter of time before the team from Baasrode delivers another stellar performance.
told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.